To use the vinyl cutter, first plug in the power and the USB to the computer. Press the power button. Add your material to the back and feed it up through the rollers. Move the press rollers to line up with the white marks and place them on the edges of the material. Flip up the lever to press down the rollers. Select the sheet whether it is a roll, edge, or piece. This example is a roll. Press Enter. The cutter will measure the material. Press and hold test to make sure the cut pressure is correct. After the test cut is finished, you should be able to easily remove part of it. If not, change the pen force. Move the pen with the arrows. Set a new origin by pressing and holding origin. Next, open the Cut Studio software to prepare your project. Click File and then Cutting Setup. Under Media Size, click Change. Then click Get from Machine. The measurements now fit your material in the machine. Click OK. Click Import to add your image. Find your JPEG or PNG file. On the right side, edit the size. Click Move to place the image at the origin for cutting. Right-click on the image and choose Image Outline. This will change the image to cut lines. Click Extract Contour Lines, then click OK. The machine will cut the contour lines. Delete the image as it's not needed. For window decals and garments, click Object and then Mirror to flip the design. When ready, click Cutting. Check the machine settings and click OK. The vinyl cutter will cut the job. Remove the material by pressing Menu twice for Unsetup. Then press Enter. This moves the pen back to its home position. Push the lever down. Cut the material in the groove on the front past your project. Cut away any excess vinyl and weed the design, removing any unwanted material. Add transfer tape from the roll for transferring. Press the tape firmly on the design and cut the piece to fit. Make sure the material is attached to the tape. Place your design where you will attach it. Make sure it is straight. Peel off one side and press it to the surface. Slowly press the rest of the design. Make sure the material is attached to the surface. Peel off the transfer tape to reveal your finished design.